Hello dear students, how are you? I wish all of you will be healthy and safe. Students, today I am going to start session number 4 of unit 3. I have provided the notes also. I hope all of you have noted down the notes. So first we discuss about the different views available in your workbook. So Excel provides us different views to see your spreadsheet differently. What in my view? View means seen. Okay, display. So Excel provide basically four main views: normal view, page layout view, page break preview, and full screen. Okay. So what is normal view? It is the default view of Excel worksheet. It is the default view. You have to remember it is the default view of the Excel worksheet is commonly used to build the spreadsheet. So whenever you work on spreadsheet, normally we open our worksheet in normal view. Okay, basically it is the working view. So how can you switch to the normal view? It's very simple. So click on the view tab. In the workbook views group, you will see different views: normal, page layout, page break preview, and full screen and custom views also. Okay. So if you want, normally this is the default view. So whenever you open your spreadsheet, you will see the normal, you will see your normal view. Okay. Next view is the page layout view. So this view gives the exact image of worksheet as it would appear on printing. Basically, it is the print preview. Okay. As you see your page in the print preview, similarly you will see your page in page layout view. Okay. Steps are same. So let's see how it will appear. So click on view tab. In the workbook views group, click on page layout view. Okay. So as you click on page layout view, your worksheet will be divided into multiple pages. Okay. So next one is page break preview. So page break preview is not new for you. In the last video, I told you about it. So we use page break preview to set the page break. Okay, so this view is useful to viewing the position of all the pages. So you can adjust the page break as per your requirement. We have done it in the last video. So you can switch to the page break preview. The steps are similar. So in the view tab, click on page break preview. So this is your page break preview. Now you can set your page according to your requirement. Okay, so this is the page break preview. So next one is full screen view. So this view eliminates the ribbon and status. As the name suggests, full screen. So it will see your content in the full screen. So it will eliminate your ribbon and status bar. Okay, let's see. So as you click on the full screen view, first of all go to the normal view and click on full screen view. Now your sheet will be appear in the full screen view. Your ribbon, your status bar will disappear. So this is your full screen view. Now how to exit the full screen view? Just press escape key. As you click on escape key, you will exit from full screen view. Okay. So next view is the custom views. So Excel also allows you to customize. Customize means according to your requirement, according to the customer, the different display settings. So these are the predefined views, but you can define your views according to yourself, according to your requirement, using custom views such as cell selection, filter setting, and print setting, etc. as your need. Okay, let's see how to apply the custom view. It's very simple. Suppose in my view I want to select the first 10 rows. Okay, and I am zooming my page. Current is 100%. Now I am zooming it to 150%. Okay, so this view I want to save. Okay, now click on the custom view. In the custom view, click on add. Okay, write down the name of the view like my view. Okay, and press on OK button. Now your view is saved. Now go to now come to the current position, previous position. Okay, now how to apply the custom view? As click on custom view, and here you see my view, and click on show. Now you can see your custom view is working. Okay, students. So how to remove the custom view? It's very simple. Click on custom views and select your view and click on delete. Yes. Okay. So this is about the custom view. So you can customize your view according to your requirement. Okay. So next one is naming a range. What is range? So range is the collection of adjacent cells like A1 to A10. So this is the range. So sometimes it is not convenient that you use the cell address. Okay, so naming convention is much easier than using cell address. So naming a cell or range of cells is a user friendly technique to work with cell coordinates. It is used for quickly locating the specific cells by entering their names. So in this case, you have to remember the cell address, but if you assign this name to this cell address, so it will be very convenient and you can use it quickly. Okay, so it could be useful when working with large spreadsheet. How? Let's see. For example, in this sheet, uh, this is the sales in March. Okay, so now, so how can we find the total sale? So just select your cells. For example, I am giving the cell name. Okay, how? Let's see. So first of all, select your cells and go to the formula tab. In the here in the define name group, click on define name. Click on define name and write down the name of the range. For example, here I am writing the sales March. Okay. Now, here you can write the comment. It is optional. So sales in March. Okay. Now I have given the name to this range. So how can we find the total sale? It's very simple. So use equal sum, and here use the cell address name of the cell addresses. So write down. See, as you write down the S, it will press the sales in March as you have given the name. Okay, so press tab key and now you can see the total of the sale in March. So here I am not using the cell range. Okay, here I am using the name of the cell range. Okay, so similarly I am giving the address of this cell also. How? It's simple. It's very simple. So go to the formula tab in the define names group. Click on define name and give the define. Okay. So write down here the total sale in March. Okay. Total sale in March. So it's very simple. Now I want to use this value in the another sheet. How? Let's see. So go to the next sheet. So here I have the total sale in April. So similarly, you can give the name to this range and go to the formula tab and give the define name. Okay, so here you can give the name sale in April. Okay, here you will use this cell at this naming, so equal sum and write down as sale in April. Press tab key. Now you can use. So here now I am again not using the cell address, cell range. I am just using the name. Okay, defined name. What will up if I want to find the total sale in March and April? So how can we find? It's very simple. Total sales in March and April. Okay, March and April. So how can we find? So equal sum of what? Sale in April plus sale in March. sorry. Sorry, we have given the wrong values. Delete it. First of all, give the name to this cell address. Okay, so go to the define name and write down. Here write down the total sales in April. Okay, now total sale in March and April will be equals to sum of what? Total sale in March plus total sale in April. So this is the total sale in March and total sale in April. So it is very convenient to use the cell naming instead of using cell addresses, cell range. Okay. So next question is how to manage these cell naming. Okay. How to edit these names, how to delete these defined names. So for this, go to the name manager. In the name manager, you will see the list of defined names. Okay, if you want to change the names, just click on edit and write down the another name. Okay, so write down the sales in March. Okay, if you want to delete any name, so just click on it and click on delete. Okay, so in this way you can edit your cell naming and you can delete your cell naming. Okay, so now it's enough for this session. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Be healthy, be safe.